All right, so who will be the next one? Based on the timeline, Model S will be the next. Let's start from here. Okay, this one is a little bit special. It comes with a Model S. Actually, if you take a look with that black trim at the front of the car, now you can tell that's a pretty old version. Could be a 2013, 2014 Model S. Let me double check here. Model S, it doesn't tell me what year it is, but I'm pretty sure that's a pretty early model. But interestingly, the Sima is pretty new, right? It was released last year. So I also got this Hot Wheels collection, this set from the same toy show. Now let's take a look at the details. Start with the Model S. Okay, look at this beautiful red paint job. I'm sorry about all the dust. I think this thing has been sitting in somebody else's garage for a while. I just got it 2 days ago. All right, let's take a close look. All right, nice rims. Again, this is a pretty early model. Let's look at the real side of the Tesla. Okay, very nice. You almost can see the letters Tesla at the back. Okay. Fortunately, we are not able to see what year or where this is made. Maybe it's made in China, most likely. Okay. And I don't have plans to open this one. This one's pretty cool. I may open this one later, but probably not today. Well, I will keep this as it is. Let's take a look at the Sima. Actually, I saw the Sima in person in California at the Peterson Museum. They have one parked right in their garage. Actually, you can see that for free. You don't even need to pay the admission fees. Just driving to their museum, walking to the garage. It's right outside their entrance. It's a big silver one. You can't miss it. This one's pretty cool. This. And I believe the door opens another way. It's like kind of like suicide door. No, how to call that? The door opens to the front side instead of open towards to the rear. All right, let's look at the details here on the side. Okay, Fremont, California. Okay. With a big box trailer here. Oh, we are able to check out this one. Right, nice. This one's Semi. This one's made in Thailand, 2019. Very cool. Okay. Dual axles. Nice. Very cool. Unfortunately, I don't think the real door will open. This is all molded plastic. I don't think it will open. I know some of the Hot Wheel, like trucks, box trailers, the real door can't open. Then you can put a couple Hot Wheel cars inside. I don't think that's the case for this one. Right, this is pretty cool. Maybe I will open this one in the future. I think this can be a very cool decoration piece. Yeah, again, so far I put all of my Tesla toys on one of the shelf I have. Just put there as a decoration. You know, it's cool. Just look at them every day and show them off to my guests and friends. Very nice. Let's look at the back side. Okay, see, they do have different collections here. Okay. Right, nothing special on the back side. Right, that's cool. Let's put this back. Yep, nice thing about this one is this can stand by itself, vertically, straight up. Unlike this one, it can't stand straight up, so it's hard to make this guy display like decoration. Okay. I spent about $5 on that one, so from that toy show, I have $5 on this, $5 on this, until I spent about $10. Okay, and